Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Viv-A-Wiz, and today we're gonna create amazing Cognimates. So first you can just open Cognimates and click on code and play. Now before we begin to create our app, let me show you a small demo on how our app is gonna look. So over here, let's make our dog reach the bowl. So the dog's going through our mouse, where our mouse goes, and if it touches this part, it stops. But now what if it touches the black part? The game's over and it stops right there. So why don't we just begin creating it? So we'll click on code and play, and from here we begin creating our app. So over here I can choose another sprite. I'll first move on with the backdrops. So I'll click on choose a backdrop, and let's check which backdrop to choose. Now let me take Savannah. I like it, but you all can choose any. It's loading up in the backdrops position right here, and I could delete the first backdrop. Now over here a Savannah has come, so let's begin to get a sprite. Now over here it looks like it's a pretty deserty place, so let's take a lion walking in like there in a jungle. A lion looking for his meat. So we can make the lion over here. So I could delete the rest of the two sprites. Now I'll move on to the backdrop, and I'll kind of change the background bottom the blue or something, because now our lion is getting invisible. Okay, so now our lion is over here. Let me maximize him. Okay, now our lion is big enough. Now we just gotta find for another sprite which the lion will or may eat. So over here I could choose this, and I'll put him over here. Now we just want to create a maze in which the lion will move to the reindeer. So over here we'll have to create many obstacles which the lion will have to cross to reach the reindeer. I'll first take this, and I'll change this color to red, and I'll create my first obstacle, then my second obstacle, or I'll just create my second obstacle here, then I'll take my third obstacle right here, and I could add my fourth obstacle here, or I'll move him to this position. So it's tough for the lion to reach till the reindeer. So by any chance, he may be caught. Now over here, we just don't want to add these. So over here, we'll go to code and we'll add a sprite to tree. Now this is optional for y'all to do. If y'all wanna do this, y'all can. So here I'll add the tree over here. Then I'll just duplicate the sprite, and I'll add my second tree to be here. Okay, then I'll duplicate the sprite too, and I'll add my third sprite to be here. Okay, so we'll first drag and drop a when flag click option. So when the flag is clicked, we want our lion to move to the position where we are taking him and move with our mouse pointer to catch the reindeer. So we'll do that now. Okay, so in lion, we will add the when flag click and we will drag and drop from the motions block. Go to -212. Why? So whenever our rap begins, he will be at his position. Now we gotta add a control forever over here. So now we will do from sensing point in direction toward mouse pointer move 10 steps. So in a big speed he is moving because he is a pretty speedy animal. We'll move this to 1 steps. Okay, so it's moving pretty slow now, so that's good. Now we want to when he reaches or hits any of the tree's green part. So let's go with it. We'll add an if block over here if then. Now we'll live in code if touching color. So we'll move on to sensing and we'll go to touching color. And we'll click on this thing so that we could choose whichever color. If he touches this color or that color, it is choosing the color. So now let's do it. So now after choosing the color, we want it to stop everything that is going on. So we'll drag a stop all button. We'll go to control the bottommost part, we get stop all. Now we'll just duplicate the same thing and over here we'll just change the color. So I'll click on this and I'll take the color to the brown color. So here we've clicked and our line is moving to where we are taking it. But now if it touches this tree, it's not. But it and I'll duplicate it another time for my fourth sprite, which will be here. So our obstacles are ready and we just have to code now. So now we'll move on to the code of life. Touch the tree, so our game is over. Now we are taking it to our reindeer and lost, so we'll take it to the reindeer now. And it has even stopped. There's something missing in here. So we'll add a when he only hits the reindeer, a you win text shall appear for 2 seconds. So we'll connect it over here and you win. You win over here is amazing, so that we get a clear idea what's going on. Maybe he may think that we're off where the user is playing. Yes, so we get our text you win. So thanks friends for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.